Assalamu alaikum. I am Syeda Fizza Gillani from the Nexus education system. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Students, after watching this video, share this lesson with your friends and cousins. First of all, subscribe this channel and like the videos. Thank you so much. Now moving on our today's topic. Our today's topic is life function. Objective. In this module, you will be learned to recognize and describe the life function. Learn about the characteristics of living things. There is a variety of living things on the earth. Let us study their features in detail. There are some things which all living things do. These jobs or tasks are called functions. Here is the list of characteristics shared by living things: movement, growth, food, respiration, waste, sensitivity and reproduction. Students, plants do not move from one place to other, whereas several living things like animals, humans move from one place to other, and they move around in search of shelter, food or to avoid danger. This movement is called locomotion. Plants can only move certain parts. Have you ever seen a touch me not plant, जिसे हम उर्दू में छुई मुई का पौधा कहते हैं? If you go and touch that plant, it will contract its leaves. So this is the movement within the plant. Like sunflower always turns its face towards the sun. Some more examples are the leaves of kachnar, plants of lotus. So several living things can move. All living things grow. As when you were born, you were very small, but now you are quite big enough. As year passes, you will grow more big. So living things not usually remain the same size. Some species grow more quickly than others. For example, a tiger takes a few years to reach full size. A bean plant takes a few weeks to grow to full size. A small seed takes years to grow into a tall tree. So all young living things grow. All living things need food in order to carry out their life process. So green plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Animals such as cow, deer, goat and other herbivores chew their food. A mosquito uses a sharp needle-like mouth part to suck blood from humans and animals. Respiration. As a human being, you need oxygen. You breathe oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide. Plants breathe through tiny holes called stomata in the leaves. Animals such as earthworm and frogs breathe through their moist body surface when they are in water. Waste. All living things take in food. Some of the food is not needed by the body. This is passed out as waste. Waste can be solid or fluid. Some gases are also not needed by the body. For example, humans do not need the carbon dioxide in air. This is exhaled as waste air. Similarly, plants also excrete water through small pores called stomata. The process in which the body removes waste from the blood, tissue or organs is called excretion. Sensitivity. Many animals have the same senses as humans. They have a nose to smell with, eyes to see with, ears to hear with, a tongue to taste with, and a skin with which they feel things around them. Some creatures feel or sense things with special body parts. A bat has very sharp ears. It makes a high-pitched sound which echoes off surfaces. Insects have feelers or antennae with which they can sense what is around them. Flies fly above food. A fly tastes with its feet. A zebra uses a combination of the senses of sight, hearing and smell to tell if there is a lion nearby. Reproduction. It means to make copies of itself. All living things produce young ones like themselves. All the babies grow to look like their parents. Birds, reptiles and insects lay eggs from which babies hatch. Most plants produce seeds. A seed grows into a young plant. Seeds can be spread by animals, birds, insects, wind and water. Some plants produce spores, not seeds. Spores are usually spread by wind or water. Let's recap. Living things need food to grow. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. Living things can feel. Living things respond to stimulus. I hope that you will find this video lecture helpful. Take care. Allah Hafiz.